All right, Brandon and Davidson Audio. We have this customer's bike right here. This is a Indian Pursuit, and we did a nice simple 4-speaker audio build on this bike. So what we did, we're actually just going to take you over the bike, show you what we did, and then we're going to do a couple little audio tests on it, and then get it to the customer. I'll be gone before the customer actually shows up to pick up the bike, so Carlos will be giving it to the customer. So hopefully take some good footage, and what we'll do is we'll put it in this video. So let's give this a look. So if you guys all know, all of our audio packages start in the fairings. So we have our water grill cloth here, or cover cloth here. We have our preamp fairing harness into here with our DSP right there. Our 4-channel amplifiers right there, all tucked nice and tight. All the wiring is all color coordinated going back. Our RCAs are tucked in back there. Then down here at the battery, we have our nice little fuse holder right here with the power and ground wire going over. Everything's at the battery. We even put an upgraded ground. You can't see it, but it goes back there. Then we went with a set of the Cicada 6.5 speakers up here in the fairing. And then in the back is our 8-inch lids. These are our Davidson Audio 8-inch lids. And we went with a set of the Cicadas and the lids as well. Again, quick disconnect here. So full serviceability of the bag through the OEM trough. The speakers right here. And just like this, double click and close. Fit really, really, really well. So this is a nice, solid rider bike setup here for our customers. So we'll get the rest of this assembled and then get ready for the customer to pick up. All right, so we're going to do a quick little demo of this. So like I said, Cicada CHs in the fairing, the CHs in the lids, and like I said, these are our Davidson Audio lids. Nice clean wiring. So let's play a couple tunes. So that bike is a wrap. Unfortunately, I will not be here for the customer to come pick it up, but Carlos will. And he did say that he'd do a video with the customer, kind of get their reaction, see what they did. And he'll also be doing a final tune with the customer. So that'll be Monday, so it'll be next week. So hopefully, I think the customer's gonna be super happy with it. Carlos will let me know, and then we'll put all this in the video so you get right after this.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Robert took the trip up from Maryland to meet Brandon Davison up here to do the install on Indian Challenger. He bought the kit from Brandon. I'm not sure what Brandon calls this kit. For us, it would be a stage 2 kit. It's an 800 watt amp, DSP, 6 naps in the pharynx, and then he did 8s on the lid. I think the kit sounds phenomenal. What do you think?
Oh yeah, man, it sounds amazing. I've had a bunch of different systems on a bunch of different bikes, and this is by far the best sounding one.
I agree. Brandon did a great job on this. We did not do the install. Brandon did the install. It's Brandon creates a complete kit. The fit and finish is awesome. I'll show you guys step by step, but we're both satisfied the way it sounds.
Oh, yeah.
What a Louis at, man? What a Louis the 13th, 40 and a lunatic's off to drink. Looking for the chickens in the hot pink. I'm so throwed, I need to shrink. I'm so throwing up in the sink. Right back up with the business league. Getting that honey with the bitches cream. Not the main thing, but a one-night flag. Do my thug thing, living like a kingpin. Household thug fuzz all of my business. 26-inch chrome wheels, man. Go check me, check your shit, man. What I look like spinning my yak, but man, honey better pay me paper, man. I'm a funny Mac and hillside hustler, man. The hillside didn't bring no trust, man.
Find me in St. Louis, rolling on dubs, smoking on dubs and clubs, blowing up like rubber bugs, sipping bug. Oh